To get verified on Twitter or X application, you need to subscribe to X Premium, that is Twitter Blue, and complete the identity verification process. On your mobile device, you need to open your Twitter and log into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen and select Premium between Profile and Bookmarks. Once you do that, choose a subscription plan and tap on Subscribe, and then complete your payment through your preferred method, that is Google Play or App Store. The cost of monthly or annual subscription fees, which may vary by region, is applicable. And after subscribing, you may need to provide a government-issued ID for verification, a phone number linked to your account, and ensure that your account is active and authentic. Now, X will review your account, and if approved, you will receive the blue check mark. New accounts might not be eligible for verification immediately. Verification does not imply endorsement by Twitter, and if you cancel your X Premium subscription, you will lose the blue check mark. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.